Hey guys, in today's video you learn coffee painting for home decor. This one's the easiest painting that an amateur can also make. I have here two cardboard plies, the thick and the thin one. It's your choice, you can use any of them. I'll be using the thin one. The other thing you require is the sketch. It should be black and white, like I have here two designs. I'll be using this sketch for coffee painting. We'll be using Fevicol to stick sketch on cardboard ply. Before pasting sketch on cardboard ply, firstly place sketch on cardboard ply and have an idea how it will look. Fold it from the back so that when you are going to paste this sketch on cardboard ply, it is in center. Put Fevicol and then spread it with flat brush. Now open folds of sketch and paste it on cardboard ply. Leave it for half an hour so that it completely gets dry. Now you require 3D outliner. This one is in shade bronze. You can also go for gold as well. You just have to outline the sketch with this 3D outliner.
What can I do to make you?
Leave it to dry for 4 hours. So now only thing which we are left with is coffee. As this is the coffee painting, so I'm going to use 3 pouch of coffee and 1/4 cup of water. Mix coffee into water. Spread coffee on the sketch with flat brush. After first coat, leave it to dry and then give second and third coat. Give 1 to 2 hours for this to dry. And yes, this is how it looks. On back side of this coffee painting, stick transparent thread so that we can hang it. In my previous video, in which I had made frames for home decor, I have used transparent thread so that I can hang those frames easily, and yeah, that is working amazingly well. So yes, this completes my video. I hope you liked it. Do like and share my videos. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel.